Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a watch face by Time Tracer that I think you should check out. Stay tuned, the review is coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a nice watch face to check out that I think you're gonna like. This one here is by a guy named Time Tracer. Now, I'm thinking he did a real good job on this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Bond. In the always on mode, you're gonna get the same look. It's gonna be in a black and white theme, kind of like the way it looks right now when it's on. You get the name of the watch face at the top, you get your date, your month, you get 24-hour time, and I know a lot of you all are looking for 12, so hopefully the developer is listening and he will make a 12-hour watch face of this design. Now you come down, you get the day of the week, you get a few shortcuts, 5 in all, which I thought was pretty nice. You can make a phone call, you can go into your music, you can also go into your step info, which of course a lot of you are looking for. You go into your weather. So I thought the developer did a real good job. It's not cluttered, it's a very clean look, and I like the fact that it looks like it's an analog watch face, but it's not. It's blended in with digital, which is a nice crossover. I like the design. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Now, we're not done yet. If you double tap over here, you can change the color theme of this watch face. We're going to cycle through all of them just to give you a look and see of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. The colors are very rich, very vibrant. You get 9 in all. So we're going to cycle through so you can see. And it makes the watch face look a lot better. A little bit better than the black thing. And depending on what you're wearing for that day, you can tie those colors in. Me personally, I like the watch face. Again, remember, let me know your thoughts on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Party like it's 1999. And be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.